Pump up your muscles with Seitan, the vegetarian protein powerhouse. Picture this. You're a bodybuilder or fitness enthusiast, and you've just decided to adopt a vegetarian lifestyle. You're excited about the health benefits, but you're also a little worried. Where will you get your protein? How can you maintain your gains without the help of chicken, steak, and fish? Fear not, for there is a plant-based protein source that's not only delicious but also packs a serious punch when it comes to fueling your workouts and building muscle. Enter Seitan, the vegetarian protein powerhouse that just might change your life. Seitan, also known as wheat meat or wheat gluten, is a high-protein alternative to meat that's made from the gluten of wheat. Yes, you read that correctly. The very same gluten that has become a dietary villain in recent years is actually a hero for those seeking a vegetarian source of protein. But don't let the word gluten scare you away. If you don't have a gluten sensitivity or celiac disease, Seitan can be a game changer for your diet and fitness goals. So why should you consider adding Seitan to your healthy bodybuilding diet? For starters, Seitan is incredibly high in protein. In fact, it's one of the richest plant-based sources of protein available, with a whopping 25 grams of protein per 3 5-ounce serving. That's more protein than tofu, tempeh, and most legumes. Plus, Seitan is low in calories and fat, making it an ideal choice for those looking to build muscle while keeping their calorie intake in check. But that's not all. Seitan is also a versatile and tasty addition to your meals. It has a meaty texture that's similar to chicken or beef, and it can be prepared in a variety of ways, including grilling, frying, baking, and sautéing. This means you can use Seitan to create delicious, protein-packed versions of your favorite dishes, like stir-fries, tacos, sandwiches, and more. Now, you might be wondering if there are any downsides to Seitan. As mentioned earlier, Seitan is not suitable for those with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease. Additionally, while Seitan is high in protein, it's not a complete protein, meaning it doesn't contain all 9 essential amino acids. However, this issue can be easily remedied by combining Seitan with other plant-based protein sources, like legumes or quinoa, to ensure you're getting all the amino acids your body needs. So, how can you incorporate Seitan into your vegetarian bodybuilding diet? The possibilities are endless. You can find pre-made Seitan at most health food stores, or you can try making it yourself at home using Vital Wheat gluten and water. Once you have your Seitan, try marinating it in your favorite sauces and seasonings to add flavor. Then cook it using your preferred method. Some popular Seitan dishes include Seitan fajitas, barbecue Seitan sandwiches, and Seitan stir-fry. If you're still on the fence about giving Seitan a try, remember this. The key to a successful bodybuilding diet is variety. Including a diverse range of protein sources in your meals not only ensures you're getting all the nutrients you need but also keeps your taste buds satisfied. So why not give Seitan a chance? You might just find that it becomes a staple in your vegetarian bodybuilding meal plan. And now, we have a challenge for you. Try incorporating Seitan into your diet this week, and let us know how it goes in the comments below. Share your favorite Seitan recipes, or tell us about the gains you've made since adding this protein-packed powerhouse to your meals. We can't wait to hear about your Seitan success stories.